Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW Z4 and you have either generation E85 or E89 with 4 or 6 cylinder engine, guys, and you're trying to find the cylinder order numbers, guys, stay with us and we'll explain that today. We'll demonstrate on 6 cylinder engine, but 4 cylinder engine will be the same. The only difference, it will have 2 cylinders less. So that's what we'll be doing today, guys. Quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically, guys, on BMWs we have close to 400 or 500 videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys, so we can keep providing these free videos to you guys. If you need to buy any replacement parts or tools, we have the link shared in the description of the video below, okay, for your convenience. So we guys have, as I said, a 6-cylinder engine here, but even if you have a 4-cylinder engine, practically the cylinder ordering number will be the same, guys, for your BMW Z4, guys. Now, we have the intake manifold removed here. You can get to the starters, vital components such as knock sensor, guys, so we'll have videos on that. We'll be taking the whole engine apart. If you have a 6-cylinder engine, guys, subscribe. Very helpful information will be shared. What I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to go ahead and remove the engine cover so I can demonstrate a little bit better, guys, the cylinder ordering and why you need to know that. Let's say you have an ignition coil that is bad on cylinder number 4, guys, or fuel injector that is bad on cylinder number 2. How you guys know, okay, which is cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you have a 6-cylinder engine, 5 and 6. So let's cover that today. Starting with the very front of the engine, guys, where you have the serpentine belt, the pulley, serpentine belt, all that, and you go towards the back. The very first cylinder towards the belts, guys, is known as cylinder number 1. So for instance, this is ignition coil on cylinder number 1. Then you guys have cylinder number 2, number 3, number 4, 5 and 6. So you can see all the way to cylinder number 6, guys. What about, okay, let me show you from that angle. We have the intake manifold removed. You can even see the fuel injectors. You have cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So pretty simple to identify. If you guys have a 4-cylinder engine, they will go like that: cylinder number 1, 2, 3 and 4. An ignition coil on cylinder number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So not very complicated at all. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having a BMW Z4. That's a very popular engine, especially that 6-cylinder engine. It's been used in so many vehicles made by BMW, such as 1 Series, 3 Series, 5, 6, 7, X3, X5, X1, Z4, one of the most popular engines. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.